Hello and welcome to the fourth video in this series showing how to restore a Triumph Herald or Vitesse. In this video I'll show you how to repair the inner wheel arch. The outer wheel arch will be in a separate video. As you can see here, I'm cutting away the corrosion from the inner wheel arch. After cutting away all of the corrosion, it's best to clean away all the paint and rust from the joint. By doing this, it would make it much easier to weld the joint, and the weld will look much better afterwards. I will be repairing this wheel arch in segments as I do not have a big enough piece of material to do it in one piece. Also, by doing it this way, there will be much less waste material. In previous videos, people have asked me how I make the repair panels I've been fitting. Unfortunately, I do not video myself making these repair panels to save time. So in this video, I'm going to explain how I made these segments by use of audio and graphics, in the hope that you will understand. Rest assured, I will do some metal shaping tips and tricks videos in the future, so stay tuned. This bend here and here have been formed around a 10mm thick steel template, which I made many years ago when I had the use of a profile burning machine. Most people wouldn't have the use of a profile burning machine, but you could make this template from 15 or 20mm plywood. It's best if you use a decent hardwood ply though. With this template, I've made the rear wing repair panel, which you have seen me fit in a previous video. All the segments I am fitting now, and if I need to, I can make a complete outer wing repair panel. All the other bends I have simply formed in a vise. This piece here is just a flat piece of 1.6mm sheet, plug welded through the prepared holes. And now that is tacked into position, all I need to do is the welding. To prevent any distortion, this joint here is to be welded as shown and explained in video number 2 of this series. In the next video, I will be showing you how to do the repairs to the front bulkhead and windscreen frame. I would like to see this Vitesse being fully restored with lots of detail from this to this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.